Learn how to easily create landing pages and sales funnels with Elementor and WordPress. Stop wasting your time on trying to market your business in the same old ways. Stop wasting time and money on freelancers or expensive solutions. Whether you want to support your clients or you want to create sales funnels for your own needs, Elementor is the way to go. Elementor is one of the fastest growing platforms for building high-quality pages and funnels with almost zero cost. But when you want to start with Elementor, it's not that easy at first. You don't know how to install it or use it properly. Most of the time, you have to struggle with finding a software developer, pay them a ton of money, and waste a lot of time and energy. The truth is that you don't need to do this the hard way. This course teaches you exactly how to do it. Get the Elementor video tutorial course today to learn how to use Elementor and WordPress to easily create landing pages and sales funnels. This course is a step-by-step video tutorial guide that will teach you how to start building pages and funnels with Elementor. It gives you the exact steps that you need to follow in order to build your own funnels. You don't need 5 different courses to teach you how to do that or advanced tactics. You just need a clear, step-by-step plan, and that is what this course is. Thousands of our clients from all over the world are enjoying tremendous growth in their businesses because of Elementor. This Elementor video tutorial course contains 17 HD video lessons on how to use Elementor and WordPress to easily create landing pages and sales funnels. The exact steps you need to follow for the best results. Clear explanations for each step. Once you go through this course, you will realize how easy and fun it is to create pages with Elementor and WordPress. This Elementor video tutorial course is one of the most efficient ways to learn how to use Elementor. This will be the perfect tool for you in growing your business and communicating with your clients. This Elementor video tutorial course is set up for people who are WordPress beginners. This Elementor course is a collection of 17 fun and easy-to-follow video tutorials. Taking this Elementor video tutorial course will be one of the smartest investments you will make for your business. What are you waiting for? Don't let complicated software or expensive developers stand in your way. Do this yourself, get it done faster, and make it fun. Enroll now to get instant access to this Elementor video tutorial course now, and you will be fascinated to learn how simple it is to create your own high-quality pages and funnels with Elementor.